Hello everyone. I just wanted to put together this real quick video about how to add people to your people album on iOS 11.2.6. So yeah, I went here, wanted to add a couple more people, did a search on YouTube and literally couldn't find anything. I totally forgot how I added these people and then I remembered. So basically all you got to do is go to the person you want to add their name so it tracks them, click on their photo, swipe up, and bam, people. Then all you do is you add their name. If they're in your contact list, that'll pop up. Add that, click done. So now when you go back to your albums, go to your people,